Today, we're going to be talking about Chargepoint, the all too popular Chargepoint. For dividend investors, this is not an investment for you. For growth investors, this is definitely the investment for you. As you can see, their revenue and their adjusted EBITDA, their gross profit, everything is expected to grow at a pretty rapid pace. So, yes, this is a pretty good investment. Why is it so popular? Simply because it's very diversified. Instead of picking that one company and taking on all the risk and rewards that come with it, you're taking all the risk and rewards that come with the total market, all the electric vehicle companies. So, also they're diversified. They're targeting businesses, fleets, drivers, everything. So it's very diversified. Also they have lots of charging stations with lots of chargers delivered and growing at a rapid pace. It's pretty much has a lot of the market for level 2 charging stations, but for level 1 quick charging stations, it doesn't really have a huge market in there. Tesla's the largest for that. That is why probably the best bet on electric vehicles is Tesla. Second best, ChargePoint. The thing about this company is the valuation is richly valued. It's more richly valued than a lot of electric vehicle companies out there. Is this an investment for me? No. I'm sticking with Lordstown Motors and companies with that are like Lordstown Motors. Revenue is growing at a rapid pace. Adjusted EBITDA is going to grow at a rapid pace. But the thing is that SBE investors, it's 10.3% of the ownership. That is the transaction overview. So what that simply means that whatever the valuation or where the stock price is trading right now, for example, the company has a market cap of 1.95 billion. That means that's 10.3%. If you multiply that times 10, that means the value of the total business is around 19 billion, around 20 billion dollars, which I do not see. Because if we look at the revenue in 2026 is at two billion, or approximately let's just say $2.1 billion. That means that is a price to sales ratio of 10, which is extremely low. But this is at the best. This is their projections, and no one is ever right in projecting the future. So this could be more, this could be less, and you could say it's less, you could say it's more. I don't know for sure, so I'm not going to try to predict that. I'm just using your predictions to show you this. Also, the gross profit could be less, could be more. So that means you're getting a PS ratio if you hold it long term of PS ratio of approximately 10, which I think is pretty fair. But think about the other ratios and things like that. Think about where you're buying it now. Therefore, the people who think you're going to be making a lot of money in the short term or midterm, you're definitely wrong. You're going to have to hold this company for a long time. This is going to be a long term investment, and that is the reasoning behind ChargePoint. I think it's a great long term investment, but right now it's extremely richly valued. As you can see, it looks like a straight line going up. There's bound to be a pullback, and no company can stay going up at a straight line. There's going to be bumps and things along the road. So, you do have to keep that in mind. This company is not going to grow at the pace they're expected to grow at. It could be more, it could be less. It's a give or take type of estimate. No one can predict the future. Also, I do want to say the hype will be gone eventually from electric vehicles, or not hype will be gone, but it's going to be less hyped up. And so definitely, it can't grow at keep growing at a straight line. And when I look at a company and I see that it's going up in value every single day, or if it's going up in value, say 22% that it did today, that just means that the growth is expected to, or that it should be growing more. Something should have happened for it to grow that much, and it didn't. The only thing was the market sentiment went up. Now, I do think this company is a very good company. I think the management is amazing. I think the growth is amazing, but I do not think that the value is amazing. So if you're asking me, what do I think about this company? Where should you buy it at? I think only long-term investors should be investing in this company because the valuation doesn't support it, and also kind of the trend lines and all of the things you look at when you're looking at technical analysis don't support it. So therefore, ChargePoint is a buy long-term. Short-term, I do not know. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Hopefully you found this video useful anyway. If you did, subscribe. If you didn't, then comment down below why you did it and what can I do to make these videos better. Thank you so much for your time, and goodbye.